Hello my lovelies, and welcome to another video. And as I mentioned in my last couple of videos, they are not being posted to my usual schedule. I'm doing them as and when I can, mainly because I've had two bereavements and a hospital admission where I was really ill from the flu. And now to add to the mix, we're moving. We're on the move again, David Nelson and I. I'll tell you more about that in another video, but over the next few weeks, again, you know, for all the things I've mentioned, the videos are going to be a bit sporadic. So make sure that you subscribe, press that notification bell so you know when I am filming. And especially if you are wanting to follow along with this design team project, as always, they will be put up on Tracie Fox Creative's website with all the other wonderful creators, and we've got one or two new ones. So without further ado, let me crack on with this. Now, last video, we made some random tags crafting with Tracie's birth month botanical collage kit and the birth month florals. Beautiful, they're absolutely stunning. I'm just loving them. And you can always mix and match, what Tracie does very easily. As you know, if you've been here a while, I'm a compendium fan. I've got all the compendium that Tracie's done, and you know, lots of little florals, and the colorways all mix and match. And these two kits are particularly large. So what I want to do is make a little gift for one of your girlfriends, anybody really, for your mom, for Mother's Day, anything like that. But I want to make a little tag. Well, I call them my tag keeps, but this one's going to be birthday card keeps. That doesn't sound very thrilling, does it? So I've cut some Amazon packaging up, the thickish card. I've used this, which has got the corrugated effect in the middle. We want it a little bit sturdy because we're going to be putting pockets in. Now, you can make them any size really, but just over 5, so 5 1/4. This is by 8 1/4. No, 5 2/8 by 8 1/4. And I've got 1, 2, 3 of those, and I'm going to put 2 birthday cards that we make in another video. 2 there, 2 there, 2 there, 2 there. Or I might just end up putting 6 in instead of 8. We'll see how we go for space. Now this it had some bits of holes already in these. So all I did was I just got my pencil, lined up with the others, made a mark with my pencil, and then went through with my crocodile to make my pages. So these are going to be pages of my birthday card gift. So what I want to do now is quickly, we'll put some decoration on these. Now I've prepared these earlier. These are from the collage sheets. You can use them as book pages, you can use them for all sorts of crafting things really, but I've cut them to size to fit on here. I've got this one that's the main floral design, because obviously this is going to be the front and I don't want to put a pocket over there, so I'm just going to glue this on. I'm going to use my Scotch glue because I do find for paper volume, you know, the size of this paper, I find it gives a nice smooth finish if you're gluing it down. I've got this old wrapping paper, wrapping of Amazon. So as my glue book, I'm trying to use everything. And of course, we're going to have fun, aren't we, once we have moved. I'm going to have a bigger craft room, guys. So, yeah, it's been nice crafting in the hall, but we'll have a bigger space when we move, and it will be great. I can leave things out. I haven't done a lot of sewing on things like I like to sew around my tags and stuff. I'm not being able to do that really because of the lack of space. I've not been able to leave my machine out. Well, let's concentrate, Catherine, instead of talking. There we go. I want it to go over the holes to neaten that off. There we go. There we are. I'm doing it with my hand. I'm not using my bone folder for this because with the corrugated in it, you start to get the corrugation coming through. Okay, so that's that one. I will trim up later because we can trim a bit off that. But I'm going to just put my holes in. Do this as you go along, because the thing is, I know we're going to put something on the back, but you can't see where the holes are if you completely cover it over. And you can't see where the holes are now. Okay, there we go. Always gets stuck, this card. Has that done it? Okay. Right, what shall we have on the other side? Oh, I may as well just go in order because they're all beautiful, aren't they? So this is going to go there. I'll tell you what, I'm going to, I think it'll be easier if I do it this way around. This is my favourite glue stick. I know everybody has their own favourites. I find it sticks really well. I can glue thin fabric with it as well. And I've not found that it comes undone easily. So let's make sure we get it the right way up. My measuring is a bit rubbish, isn't it? Look at that. I've measured all these and okay. Cockeyed way of doing it. You get out of habit to doing videos, you know, when you've not been doing them. Right, get rid of that. Okay. There we go. Right, that's one done. Next. So I hope you're all keeping well. Let me know how you're doing. I'm way behind with me. Roxy's Journal of Stitchery, but fortunately now we move. It will wait until we move. We have got the property that we're moving to, so it's only going to be a matter of 5 or 6 weeks. But in the meantime, I will bring you some design team inspo. Are any of you doing the Sherlock Holmes journal with Tracie? That's so much fun. prod out me. Look at me trying to prod that end and it's there. Okay. And then on this side, we'll put that one. We'll have loads of packaging, won't we, again? Because you always end up sending for loads of stuff, don't you? And packing boxes and the like. So that will be, I'll have to, I think I'll do a series and again with what to do with all the packaging, recycling. Ooh. I'll do that off camera. I can't quite get the angle right to get my holes in. Okay. Just trim that up. And then the last one on there. So it's not a difficult project, it's just you've got to concentrate. Which I don't have. Some get distracted, and you can't, you know, it's easy, isn't it? Get distracted when you're filming videos. You've got to think what you're doing ahead of yourself. Let's take that to that edge. The other thing as well with this is you've got a bit of slip time with it, with your paper as well, with using glue stick. And then the final one. So the idea of this is that I always wanted, I don't know if you will remember, I think they still do them, but I used to love it when I was younger, when I used to get a lovely fold out set and it had got birthday cards in for you to use. You know, you open it up a bit like a lap book and either side you've got a choice of birthday cards. So you'd always got a birthday card in case you'd forgotten somebody's birthday. Well, this is a sort of similar concept. You can either just do this for yourself and keep the cards. Obviously, with the kit, there are 12. So for every month of the year, there's a different card you can make. And you can just do this to keep them in. Or, as I say, make a nice gift. Just need to level that up a little bit. That's better. Yeah, nice gift to give to a friend in its entirety, really. You can decorate it up, make some cards to put in the pocket. I mean, you could do a full 6 months if you so wished. You've just got to buy the larger hoops. I haven't got the extra large ones, so I'm just going to do three at a time. But you can get the very, I know, I think when we did sew for the soul tags with Anne Brooke We've got the bigger ones. Right. Just trim that card down. Now, I'm just going to show you the cards that I've got from Hobbycraft to use to make as the birthday card. So I've got the craft card, and I'll give you their sizes. So that is 4 and just under 4 1/4 by 5 3/4, and the envelope slightly bigger. And so I've made my cards to fit so that these will fit in the pockets. And we'll do some decorating of those in another video. Okay, so all I want to do with these now is repunch the holes. Let's just trim. And what I will do is, I think, you know, we will get do some inking around the edge where the corrugated cardboard is, just to cover that over so we haven't got any. That's better. Here we are. That's at the back, that's at the front. Okay then, so there we are, the short and sweet tutorial on preparing the bases for our birthday card keep. Okay then, so thank you so much for joining me. Take care out there. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and all that usual good stuff. Comment down below, even if it's just an emoji. It does help YouTube push my videos out to more lovely people. So take care out there. Bye for now.